Hello and welcome from CMT Trade Fair in Stuttgart. I'm going to show you this vehicle today, the Duncan 545. It's on the Ford Transit Custom 545. Tells us how long this vehicle is. So camper van, which is 534 centimeters long, not 545, 57,000 euros. It's got a tent in the roof. And what is good about this vehicle here is actually not at the front or in the middle, but at the back. So we have this really small camper van, but it comes with this down here. There you go. Toilet, shower and a sink. Now it's going to be difficult to use the toilet with the roof down, but not impossible. And I think this, for those looking for a car, but we can also convert into a camper, a self-contained camper, this is a really good idea. So it's got all of this stuff in it. Now, as far as the floor plate is concerned, I need to point out that this is only slightly shorter than the 541 centimeter long vehicles we see built on the Fiat Ducato or the smaller Citroen or Peugeot platforms. 2 burners in the sink. We've got storage down the bottom. We've got over here storage as well. Notice this, it can be used as a wardrobe. Tent in the roof, access via this ladder. We've got an isotherm electric fridge, 2-way fridge down there. Lots of preparation space in this vehicle, considering it's not designed for it's not a big vehicle, sorry. And there's the seats up here. It often happens that when the seats can be turned into a bed, then the seats themselves are not very comfortable. Because I sit cross-legged, which is somewhat unusual to save my back, that for me would be a super way of sitting. But for the overwhelming majority of people, it's possibly a little uncomfortable, possibly, because you've got this here. It's so big. Let's of course answer that's to get some cushions or something like that. There's a table that goes in here. It'll be somewhere at the back. You've got electric points there. This will come out if you want to take it out for whatever reason. And anyway, I think that this is a particularly interesting vehicle from that point of view, as a car which converts to a camper. It's a tiny camper. And great. So got to take your cassette out here. Notice there's normal cassette as you get in a big motorhome. And here we will find a bit of storage there, and under here there is the gas cylinder for use in the cooker. And if you want to heat the thing, then you have to use the diesel heating. But in my opinion, that is an interesting little vehicle. I'd like to actually take one of these things out for a couple of weeks, see how I got on with it. When a number of years ago, I had to sort of travel around a bit. I was doing a lot of traveling for my business. Something like this, instead of having to sleep in the back of the Mercedes, this would have been just the job. Anyway, I didn't have it then. Don't think they were around then. For the moment, from me, thanks for watching, and bye for now.